This is going to be the lifts at the RIU Plaza Victoria Hotel in London, England. We have some Schindler 5500 lifts from 2022. Okay, yeah, so it's a smart key.
Front door is closing.
So you can only access to your floor.
Floor 7.
7.
Front door is opening. Front door is closing.
This is a very nice lift. It's on your fixtures. CCTV camera behind me in the elevator, in the lift.
Basement.
I'm gonna end it right
Front
here.
door is opening. Front door is closing.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Only this is a smart key.
Floor 7.
Here we are at 7.